I would like to call out also One News. No, I think there is a representative of One News here who reported or which reported that there is an underground tunnel. Allegedly, no, correct me if I'm wrong. If you did not, I'm very sorry. No, but it was reported to me that there is the One News, without getting our side again, reported that there is an alleged tunnel from Cathedral to the hangar. And this was aired on TV without getting our side again. So, this afternoon, we will try to request the PNP General. I will not request. Please, I will let One News request the PNP General to give us access to the basement of JMC. And I would like to request politely One News to lead the, the team of media personnel and guide us to this tunnel from Cathedral to hangar so that it can be shown to the people whether or not there is indeed a tunnel from the Cathedral to hangar. No? So in the spirit of fairness and truthfulness, so that we will again be reminded that before reporting out the news, please again get the other side of the story so that you can give the people real news, not propaganda. So I would request the representative from One News, no, to request the general to give us access to the underground basement, and if you can lead us, no, or perhaps one personnel also from KOJC, no, but since you reported it, please guide us to this alleged tunnel from Cathedral to hangar, because I, as a lawyer, I have been a lawyer here for a long time, would like also to know whether or not there is that tunnel, no, as reported by One News.
So would I. Attorney,
Yes,
actually
yes.
it was written by Philippine Star.
Ah.
So we're also trying to contact for validity or for verification of the
But
info.
why did you report it, ma'am, without getting
Sir,
our
sorry,
side?
we're not the ones who created or wrote the report. It was from PhilStar. So we're also hoping for a balance when it comes to such an opinion, and we're also trying to reach out on other sources to verify if this is actually true.
Okay, so what we will do now is, please, if you can contact the new general who is apparently a new head in this operation, to give us access to the JMC basement, and perhaps we can go together and find this tunnel from Cathedral to hangar in the spirit of fairness and truthfulness. Would you be able to assist us in that
Attorney,
regard,
we're
ma'am?
not the ones who wrote it, so I'm really sorry I
okay.
can't answer that. But it was by PhilStar.
Yes, yes,
Just a
please.
little bit of, it's confusing me. I'm a member of the media.
Yeah.
Maybe we have a lot of sources kasi. If we do report like this, we are very thankful that you are doing this right now, no?
Yes.
Clarifying. But it is not our job to facilitate everything. We are, bombarded with a lot of information.
Yes, yes,
So,
but
we are very, very thankful, attorney, na ginagawa nyo na ito ngayon.
Yes,
Pero wag
yes.
naman sana na parang hinihinga nyo din yung trabaho namin. Dahil
No.
nire-report namin.
If you feel offended
This is
because of
very
that,
offending.
if you feel offended because of that, my apologies. It was not meant to offend anyone. It is meant to ferry out the truth that since One News reported that, we would like
Sir, it's
we would
not
like to
One
know
News. It's not One News. I'm so sorry. It's by PhilStar. And again, we also just released
carried
the
out by
platform.
One News on TV. PhilStar, did I
Wrote
get you
the
right?
article.
Wrote it and
I think
carried out on TV by One News.
Sir, I think it's a bit different. It was a platform. One News served as a platform for the PhilStar article. So
Ah,
technically,
okay.
One News wasn't the one who
But
wrote.
Maybe, attorney, ano na lang
Yes.
po, pag mga ganon, you can siguro write to the editors of
Yes.
our...
Yeah, rather than-
Rather
No, ganito na lang, no? Because we want to know the truth. We want to know the truth, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir,
okay.
attorney.
So, we will try to contact the PNP to give us access to JMC basement so that we can verify if there is that
that's
tunnel,
the
okay?
good idea.
So, okay,
Rather
so,
than asking the journalist to facilitate
We
it.
cannot do
Kasi
that.
it's not our work.
ma'am, I wanted to do that because I thought that it was One News who carried that news. So they must have first-hand knowledge insofar as this tunnel is concerned. So I requested them to request this PNP under the belief that they had personal knowledge about this. So because before you report the news, you could have already verified it and you could have gotten our side. That's journalism, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I wanted to learn from them. That's why I requested them. Now, if that is offensive to you, what we will do is that we will request the PNP together and call perhaps the PNP, sir, can you give us access to the JMC basement so that we can confirm if there is this tunnel from Cathedral to Hangar. Would that be fair to you? Okay? So, last, yes.
Actually, ako nag-guide sila kahapon.
Ah,
Nagla-live po yung kasama niya, yung anchor po nila sa One News sa Manila ang nagsabi na may tunnel. Yung kasama ni Edwin Gao.
so hindi sila yung angkor.
Narinig ko kahapon, siya nagsabi na may tunnel from Cathedral to Hammer.
Sige lang. I-confirm natin yan ngayong hapon para malaman ng tao kung meron na in the spirit of truthfulness and veracity.
But in the meantime, first of all, I would like to ask your apologies if we have offended you. We did not mean to offend you.
Sorry, if
But
you felt
because of the
offended.
heat
No?
of the moment, you understand that this is our 6th day. And kami po mga abogado, huwag lang na po masyado
Yes.
namin.
Attorney Day, pwede
Mirakulo na lang po na medyo pogi pa rin kami.
Thank you po.
Pwede ba suggest? Yung
Yes, ma'am.
problema
Yes, ma'am.
sa design po about the tunnel and everything, no? You can ask naman the city building office because before this early phase was constructed, you submitted the building plan. So
Kaya nga,
it's all
nagtaka kami,
Why
ma'am,
don't
kasi
you show us the building plan instead?
nagtaka
Diba?
nga kami
Mas
kasi
better
yung
yun.
building plan namin wala namang tunnel.
Can you show us the
Oo.
building plan ba?
We will try to secure that from the authorities of the
Yeah.
KOJC. We will try to do that, no?
That's a government document that will level them off the ground.
Okay.